Alright, this is the Garden City Hotel. Here we go. This is Otis. Left one. I wonder if these were like something else before. Yeah, we're in for a ride here. Oh boy, music. Oh, look.
Yeah.
What the indicators for that might be Dover. Door close works. Alright, here we go. No, we're picking somebody up. Or not.
Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't work. I actually like the song. I wonder what that indicator was. It looks like a Dover indicator to me. If that even is an indicator. We'll send this one off. Interesting button. Look at this, you got a view. Nice view. I don't know. Oh, what the? Okay, I have other ones here. Otis Series 2. I want to see something. Oh, never mind. I can't use flash because I'm low battery. Stopping again. Down?
Yes.
Where are you going?
Bobby.
My battery's running low, so I'm gonna cut this short. There you go. Getting off here. Yeah, I'm kind of low on battery. There it goes, and that's it.